Want to save time in Google Sheets? In this video, I'll show you how to autofill data automatically based on another field. A simple trick that makes spreadsheets way faster. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. To start, open Google Sheets and either create a new blank sheet or open an existing one. Now, pick the cell where you want the autofill to begin. Type an equal sign, then click on the reference cell you want it to follow. Hit enter and you've set the link. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the small blue square in the corner of the cell called the fill handle. Hover over it until your cursor turns into a black plus sign, then click and drag down. Instantly, the other cells fill up with the same logic. No more typing everything manually. This works not only for copying values but also for formulas, sequences, and even complex patterns, making it perfect for large data sets. Just remember to double check when working with shared files so no accidental changes slip in. And that's it. Autofill in Google Sheets is your shortcut to working smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped and subscribe for more 2025 Google Sheets tips.